This channel is called All-Time Classics. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you lots of all-time classic favorite recipes. Today, I'll be baking the all-time favorite classic butter cake. This recipe is easy to follow and most important, it's going to be the most fluffy, moist and soft butter cake of all time that you have ever tasted. So, let's get started!
First of all, prepare the ingredients as follows. In this recipe, I'm using salted butter as I personally feel that the saltiness of the butter actually enhances the flavor even better. Then, place your butter into an electrical mixer and start creaming the butter at low speed for about 2 minutes. Add in your sugar slowly and increase the speed to medium-high. Continue creaming the batter for about 7 to 8 minutes or until light and fluffy. Don't be afraid to scrape the sides from time to time to ensure everything is well mixed. When the batter has become pale in color, light and fluffy, add in the eggs slowly, beat by beat, and continue beating until well cooperated. On the other hand, combine the sifted flour and baking powder together and give it a good mix. Add in the mixed flour scoop by scoop into the batter in 3 batches, alternating with the milk. Once everything is well combined, lastly, add in vanilla essence and mix until well cooperated. Pour the batter into an 8-inch cake pan, lined and buttered with parchment paper. Put the cake into the preheated oven at about 170 degrees Celsius for about 55 to 60 minutes, or until golden brown, depending on your oven. To know if your cake is perfectly cooked, you can insert a toothpick into the cake, and if the toothpick comes out clean like this, your cake is done! And voila! Your soft, fluffy and moist butter cake is ready to be tasted. You can serve it with fresh summer berries like I did because I'm a huge fan of strawberries, or you can just serve it like this. It tastes so good on its own. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification button so that you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.